Do you want to add a poll in Instagram Reels? You can create a poll in an Instagram Reel video with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add poll in Instagram Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Adding a poll to your Instagram Reels allows you to engage with your audience in an interactive way. This feature enhances user interaction and can make your Reels more interesting and enjoyable. You can add a poll in your Reel video with two different methods. To add a poll to your Instagram Reels, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post. Then, select Reel from the options that appear. You can either record a new video using the camera icon or upload an existing video from your device by selecting a video from the gallery. After recording or selecting your video, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here, you can add music, effects, text, stickers, and more to your Reel. Method 1. Adding poll from stickers. Tap on the sticker icon. Find and select the poll sticker. It offers a two-option poll with yes and no options, but you can add multiple options using the next method. Wait for that. Once complete, tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. Method 2. Adding poll in Caption. First, remove this poll sticker and tap the next button to continue. Now tap on the Caption field. Once you are in the Caption field, the poll option is visible below your Caption section. Now tap on Poll. Enter your question in the Ask a Question section. You can add up to 4 options for the poll. Once complete, tap on the Done icon at the top of the screen. When ready, tap on Share to publish your Reel with the poll. Your Instagram Reel with the poll is now visible to your followers at the bottom of the screen. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.